everyone, Vincenzo here, bringing you another ukulele tutorial. This week, let's learn how to play With or Without You by U2. First of all, let's have a look at the chords that we need for this one. They are D, A, B minor, and G. These chords are played throughout the entire song. So, let me show you the chord shapes. Of course, if you already know them, simply skip this part. So, we start with D major, A major, B minor, and G. Let's start working on the strumming pattern, or shall I say patterns. In fact, whilst this song always follows the same chord progression, there are of course variations in the arrangement, otherwise it will be boring. And so for this one, we're gonna have two strumming patterns. Well, actually three if you really wanna push yourself, but two are already enough. So let's have a look at the first one. It goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down. One more time. 3, 4. Down, down, up, down. This is the chord progression. Each chord lasts for 4 beats. Let's follow it using the strumming pattern you've just learned. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, B minor, G, again, D, A, B minor, and G. We can play this strumming pattern from the intro to when the drums start. This happens at about 1 minute and 46 seconds on the official music video here on YouTube. Drums are not the only instrument to start at this point. In fact, the famous electric guitar riff of the song is played for the first time. I'm talking about this, which, by the way, I'm gonna teach you later on. So at this point we have more instruments, the rhythm is more solid, and so we wanna follow what's happening in the song with our ukulele. This is why we need a second strumming pattern. And also remember, to play the same strumming pattern for the entire song can be boring. So the second strumming pattern goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down, down. Again. 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down. Now, let's play this following the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, A, B minor, G, D, A, B minor, These two strumming patterns will be already enough, but I want to show a third one for the ukuleles that want to take their playing to the next level. So you can start using this new strumming pattern from when they sing, oh, you know, the famous part that I cannot really sing. Anyway, this is at 3 minutes and 4 seconds on the official music video here on YouTube. The third strumming pattern goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up. Basically, you're following the drums. Okay, one more time. 3, 4. Down, 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 up. Pro tip: on beat 1 and 3, I'm mostly strumming those two strings. I do that to highlight better beat 2 and beat 4, which are the strong beats. So let me show you. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. So you see, 1, Now let's play this following the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, A, B minor, G, D, A, B, G. Towards the end, the song goes a little bit softer, a little bit like it was in the beginning. So just use the first strumming pattern you learned. Now, let's have a play along, and for the play along, I will be playing each strumming pattern twice. Practice with this and then arrange your own version. Bear in mind, this song doesn't follow the typical verse-chorus structure. If you're still watching, let me show you quickly two of the main parts of this song arranged for the ukulele. First of all, this part. These two notes are played throughout the entire song. They are fret number 5 on the first string and fret number 5 on the second string, like this, 5, 5, 5, 5. These are eighth notes. If you like to record more than one ukulele for your covers, this would be a great part to add. So let's do one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's move on to the most iconic guitar part of the song. For this one, the Edge uses a delay, but I'm gonna show it to you without it. It goes like this. So let's break it down. Open G string, then fret 5 on the first string. Again, open G, then 5, 5 one more time, open G string, 5, and then 6. G string open and the second fret on the third string, and then G string open and the fourth fret on the third string. Try to let everything ring out. One more time, very slowly. 3, 4, and... By the way, if you were to add a delay, you would actually be playing this slightly differently. But let's not get into this now. Instead, let me know in the comments if you would like to learn more about delay on the ukulele. The aim of this tutorial was to give you an overview of With or Without You so that you can put together your own cover of it. On my Patreon page, link in the description, you can find the chord chart, the tabs and the backing tracks that you need for practicing this. Each strumming pattern has 2 backing tracks, one at the original tempo and one slower to help you practice. That's all for now. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Let me know in the comments if you managed to play this song. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next week. Ciao!